Hello there, my name is Sharlaine and here are the basic steps on how to make the LED light. First we have all the equipments here. We have the breadboard. The breadboard has the VCC source or the positive part and the ground which is the negative. So we have here the IC or integrated circuit. The IC has a number here at the center to find out what IC to be used, so this is AND gate. This second is the OR gate and the third is the NOT gate. We have here the cut wires, the resistor to be the output and the LED light. Especially we have the battery which will be our source. First to be performed is the AND gate. Put the IC into the breadboard and make sure it was input well. Second is the cut wire to be input here at the 7th hole of the breadboard connected into the VCC source, and another cut wire to be input in 14th hole connected to the ground. Get another wire to be input in the first hole of the breadboard and into the second hole. Get the resistor to be the output that should be input here into the third hole. And importantly the LED light. So this LED has a long leg part here to be input into the resistor and the short part to be input into the ground. Lastly, get the two cut wires and connect into the VCC source and into the ground. Now, we will test if it is successful. The battery has the positive side and the negative side, so now we will test it. It was built successfully because in AND gate we input 1 and 1, which will be the output of 1. If we input here 1 and 0, it will not light. The same and 0 and 1 and in 0 to 0, and our AND gate is successful. Let's proceed now into the OR gate. As what we did in AND gate, get the cut wire and input to the 7th and 14th hole. The same in AND gate. And do the same procedure like what you did in AND gate. As you finish your work and connecting the wires, test it if it is successful. The output of 1 and 1 in OR gate is 1, so as you can see it light. If we input 0 to 0, it will not light. If we make it 1 and 0, it will light the same, and 0 to 1. Now we are finished in OR gate. Lastly we will perform the NOT gate. The same in AND gate and OR gate procedure. If we input 1, the LED will not light because the opposite of 1 is 0. If we input 0, it will light because the output of 0 is 1, but the output will be on the second hole because in NOT gate it is just an opposite procedure. If we input 1, the LED will not light because the opposite of 1 is 0, and if we input 0, it will light because the output of 0 is 1. So now, we are done in performing our 3 logic gates. Thanks for watching.